Well, good morning. This is my battery rejuvenator. This is on my old work car SunFire, and this car is really amazing. Anyway, the battery was manufactured in 412, and this car sat for a long time, and I'm getting it restored. It sat for about a year and a half. When I started with this process, it had two dead cells in it, and now it's overcoming. I'm running this prototype I've made up of a battery rejuvenator, and as you can see, it shows nothing there. I'm having to hook it back up. Let's see. Of course, when you show a video, but anyway, I'm right at 1463 volts now on the unit. The input is just really simple. I'm using a small transformer to power it right now, and let's see if we can get a good clear picture of what that is. But the very low input, 12 volt input. You can go with this configuration up to 48 volt input. And anyway, it's a pretty neat configuration. I'm going to shut the video down, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you another configuration. I'm going to pull the core out, and we're going to go ahead and get up into high configuration with that. Called the singing coil configuration, and it's actually more efficient than having an electric motor type unit going on. So anyway, stopped it by hand. It's real easy to start up. You just give it a little twist and boom. And I'm going to show you another configuration with this same coil prototype. So I'll be back in a minute.